Hey guys, today is hair care day and I will be making a hair mask, and these are all the ingredients that I'll be using. A lot of people think that because your hair is natural, you don't have to treat or clip it. Oftentimes they make it seem as if it's only when you have a perm hair you treat it often. You do the necessary step to make sure that you care for your hair, that it don't break, that it don't fall out, and clip the ends. But the same way you treat a perm hair, the only difference is that you're not perming your hair, you know. But the same way how you treat and care for a perm hair, you have to do the very same thing for your natural hair as well. Because if we don't take care of our natural hair, not only is it going to break off full of splitting, it will not grow, it will be dry and brittle, you know, and also natural hair do shed. So it's very important that we take the necessary step that is needed to care for our natural hair the same way we would if we had a perm, you know, or if you had probably like a white person hair, etc. All hair are beautiful. Our hair is our glory, and that is on 1 Corinthians 11 verse 15. Okay. Guys, comment your favorite hair care treatment or regimen. How do you care for your natural hair? And now from time to time I'll be dropping in and showing you guys some other different ways that I do care for my natural hair or the kids' hair. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend to come join the family. Because as I always say, why not? Come join the family, man.
Oh, you will never fail. Be there, you always will. Shine us with your light to get us through. God, we want more of you. Come, Holy Spirit. It's the love that we long for. Bring us.
So this is the hair after I loosed everything out, not detangled or anything. But this is what it is looking like. This is what it is giving. It's giving I need a wash, I need some treatment. Yeah, so we're gonna apply our hair mask to our unwashed hair. Yes, I said it, unwashed hair, because there's a lot of oil in this, and after the treatment we don't want our hair to be oily. So I decided to treat it first and then we're gonna wash it. There's many ways how people do it. This is the way I choose to do it, you know. If you don't agree, do it the way you want. But this is one of the many ways that I treat my hair. Sometimes I treat it after a wash, sometimes before. And I don't know why I decided to treat my hair while wearing white t-shirt. But anyways, it's what it is. We already started. But anyways, yeah, we're just applying this mask. And guys, let me tell you, unless you're gonna use like a little squeezer bottle or something to apply this thing to your hair, you're gonna mess the floor up, you're gonna mess yourself up. So don't be afraid to get dirty, okay? So I am done applying the hair mask to my hair, and we're using some good old Scandal bag. I have the clear what's it called, shower cap, but too lazy to go look for it, so I decided to use a good old Scandal bag. Cause why not? It do the same thing, you know. So we're using the good old Scandal bag, and we're gonna make it work. looking like. I will already see for about an hour. And because baby girl is on her hair growth journey, I decided to add the what left to her hair. So we have that, and we have that, and that's what we're going to wash her hair with. It's about that time to get this off of her hair. 30 minutes, to get off of my December. Okay guys, so this is the hair after wash, and it is growing. I can't believe my hair grew this much, and I cut it off the other day. I should show you guys a picture because I find it and show you. I mean completely bald. Maybe I was like, sorry, somebody stand in the mirror and just cut it all off. But this is what it's looking like after a good wash. We're gonna oil it up now. And I feel like I'm gonna clip the ends. The ends need to be clipped. So we're gonna clip the ends. Call it a day here. Clip off the ends so it can grow more. But this is what it's looking like. Yeah.